I'm going to do the last of the colours to have like a colour swatch of each. Okay, so we will carry on. This one is a green, dark green. There's a big bubble in there. Big bubble in both of them. I'll deal with that at the end. Just a little pokey. Right, this one's orange. And then last but not least, we have sky blue. I need to stop putting a bubble in. Onto the glittery ones. This is pretty. This one, rose. Champagne. Tiny little drop more. Champagne, gold. One, it affects my breathing. Ta-da. This one is olive green. Oof, pretty. I seem to make messes of it half the time. Where did I just put the lid for that? There it is. Okay. Green. lake blue. Blue. Messy. Dark purple. Bronze. Ooh, nice. Violet. I've got it down very low to try and get a good picture. That one's a little bit overflowy. Well, I think a lot of them would go down a bit if they were pulled about. You see how some of them are? I'm sure the light's curing them a little bit. You get that little extra excess off because it's a little bit too much. Is watermelon. Ooh, nice. Oh my god. Watermelon red. Go in with that one as well. Let's just finish these off because might as well have one of each. I want to see what they do as well. That's all of them done. That's that box from Temu, and then this box from Temu. I've also ordered some more because I'm obviously going to enjoy playing with it. Right, so we have some bubbles. Shall we try the burny bit? I feel like the burny bit's too much. It does pop them. It gets a bit like it's actually cooking the stuff. So now we are going to turn this on, put it over my work, like so, facing away from any gels because we don't want to cure them in the bottles. You just need to work out what the moulds are for and how to use them because I'm not really completely sure. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, it's beautiful. see how delicate that is? I'll zoom in on them at the end. Oh, that one's slightly undone. So I'll have to put that back under to cure a bit more, but never mind. That was probably the air bubble separating it. Oh, they're so pretty. That one's almost clear, isn't it? Hey, stop that. This one's needs the back end taking off, but it's also got like a bit of the mould attached to it. Interesting. Oh, so that wasn't supposed to be in there, but it's still very, very delicate little flowers. This one's got a bubble in. Not quite as perfectly formed. I think there's some air bubbles in there. It's cute. This one, I wondered where it was going. It was all folding in, like big creases in there. So yeah, there are quite a few layers in there that you sort of want to poke about a bit. So cute, that come out nicely. All the little flower petals. That's nice, isn't it? You can see a few little air bubbles were in there. Very pretty. Have to refer back to the video to see which ones were which. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. I love that. You could probably do the little dots different colours as well. If you went in really finely, went in the middle there, done that bit with just a little prick of gel and then go in with a second layer, that'd be so cool, wouldn't it? Like yellow and white. I can imagine it now. Oh my god, there was air bubbles there. That obviously hasn't, that was silly. That obviously hasn't completely filled up the mould. That one needs the back taken off. Oh no. Anyway. That's so cute. Again, there's a few bubbles in there that like took petals out. So that's the problem with these. You've got to sort of wiggle them around a little bit to get the bubbles out and everything filled up. Wow, that too, although that's a little bud. Hey, that's pretty. It's really nice, that one. Cute. Again, bubbles took some leaves out. And cute. Back needs taking off. But that was enough done just to have a good look. Let's rub that mould from the excess gel. Put some alcohol on it. Anyway. I mean, look at how the fine layers are in there. That's why you have to kind of open it up and check that, because some of them go right underneath. Interesting. So I'll have to bear that in mind when I start making some flowers for certain things that I want to really poke it around, make sure it's all in all the crevices. But that's lovely. So that's another little UV resin video. These are my little UV resin flowers. All the different colours, diamond glitters, and so on. So cute. I really like that one. Ta-da! Okay, thanks for joining me, guys. Much love. Breathe easy, folks. I'll see you again soon.